Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my learning channel. I hope you all are well. So today I am going to teach you vocabulary about kitchen utensils. So without wasting her time, let's begin. So these are the kitchen utensils which we use in our kitchen. Uh, First है हमारे पास बाउल, chopsticks, cup, cutlery, dish, fork, frying pan, glass, jar, jug, knife, ladle, mug, pan, plate, saucepan, saucer, sifter, spoon, teapot, tongs, tray, whisk, wok. Now let's discuss more kitchen utensils which we use in our kitchen. फर्स्ट वन है हमारे पास हॉट पॉट, सेकंड माइक्रोवेव, थर्ड मिक्सर, मॉर्टर, रेफ्रिजरेटर, मग, सर्विंग बाउल, ओवन ग्लव्स, प्लेट, बाउल, डिश रैक, whisk, bottle opener, deep fryer, timer, grater. I hope you will learn from my lectures. So if you are new on my channel, don't forget like, subscribe, share. Take care. Allah Hafiz.